on the dashboard, you can see some really important, from your point of view, really important information related to how many licenses in given type you already sold, how many devices do you protect so far, what is the total capacity used to protect your customers in a given period of time, let's say 7 days, 1 month, or 1 year, and how the how the number of users is growing since you start cooperation with Xopero. And this dashboard, as a main tool for our resellers, is equipped with some functionalities which allow you to create your own customers. So let's say, imagine the situation that your customer called you and told you that he or her needs some solid backup solution because the customer is aware enough to invest some money into the solid and professional online backup solution. So basically, the only thing you need to provide is the customer's email address. So let's say the customer's email address is Xopero software and of course I can send the activation email directly to my customer, or I can set up the password for instead of my customer. So I will use the second model. I will set up automatically the password, and I will click next. And on the second step, I can decide what kind of product my customer is interested mostly. And I have two kind of products to pick: personal products and business products. Personal products, these are the products dedicated for individual clients, individual customers, and these products always has some limited number of devices available to be protected. So these products are dedicated to the, as I told you, to the individual customers who would like to back up to 5 desktops, 5 PCs, 5 personal computers. But I believe that most of your customers are from the second group. So so these customers are, let's say, business ones, and as soon as we pick the business, the next window appeared where we can choose one of 2 subgroups, and we can choose the endpoint protection, which is the product for protecting desktops and desktops only, without the databases, without servers, without virtual machines. And if my customer is a little bit more advanced and the customer has, for example, some databases to be protected, I should get interested in this product, endpoint and server protection. Of course, I need to, let's say, estimate how many of storage the customer will require, and let's say that the 100 gigabytes will be enough for my customer. I need to choose, and basically the last thing which I need to make is define for how long this license will be generated. And at the very beginning, I would like to generate a 1-year subscription. And please remember that all Xopero Cloud products are subscriptions, so it gives you the chance to receive the revenue incomes year after year. I will switch the trial subscription because I would like to give the customer a chance to play a little bit with the application, and just after the 14 days of trial period, I will activate the full license. Okay, and that's it. And basically, my job is done. I created the customer. I create the license. So theoretically, my customer is now ready to be protected. But I would like to make it in the proper way. So from this section, I can download the backup agent, the client application. And the client application is, as I told you before, the application which is responsible for protecting, for performing the backup.